If you are a doctor, this information is for you. In Guatemala, more than 50% of the population owns a cellular phone. Did you know that 30% of the medical appointments are canceled for many reasons? Among them, traffic, inconvenience, unforeseen events. That is why you are wasting time and losing money. That is why we present VDOCTOR. VDOCTOR is a platform that will make your job easier efficiently. VDOCTOR is a system where you can prescribe for your patients, see their clinical history, program appointments, refer your patients to other colleagues, solve emergencies, and much more. All of this through a single text message. VDOCTOR can send and receive messages simultaneously on multiple devices such as tablets, cellular phones, or on a computer, in addition to reducing the workload on your staff and on your receptionist. Internet takes time. Sending emails, it's time-consuming. Your PBX can be saturated, but all of this can be solved by a text message through VDOCTOR. VDOCTOR is a system that works in any season, during vacation, and on holidays. You rest, and VDOCTOR works for you. Establish priorities, change appointments, receive and send reminder messages simply by sending a group text message or just for a single person. VDOCTOR has artificial intelligence. With one click, you can announce an emergency, new health programs like vaccination journeys to hundreds of patients, or even your vacation. It is basically an automatic doctor working for you 24/7 all year round. Now, let's look at how VDOCTOR works. First, access the system by going into the following page and enter your code and password to access the system. Once we enter the system, it will show our calendar and our programmed appointments and self-programmed appointments. To program an appointment, click on the day you choose. This will show a window where you will enter the required data. Reminders, the severity, red for high, yellow for medium, green for low, the topic, which refers to what the appointment is about, the name of the patient, appointment address, initial appointment time, end appointment time, and the detailed description of the appointment. When all this is done, click on the Add button and the appointment will be scheduled. To send an SMS message to the patients, we go to the SMS Send. This will request the data to send the message, considering that it has a maximum of 140 characters per message. To review the received messages on behalf of the patients, we go to Option Inbox. To create a reminder, which will send a text message, SMS, to the patient's telephone on the date and time selected, we will go to the Create a Reminder. This will require us to enter the data. In the Reminder On, we will be shown a calendar which we can choose a date and time to send the reminder. To see our list of patients, we choose the option See Patients in Patients. This will show us a list of saved patients as well as how we can select and add patients. Ready? Now you can use the VDOCTOR system. VDOCTOR is a system that is completely safe against hacker viruses and other threats. With VDOCTOR, you can advise your patients that on a determined date you will only treat patients with a certain ailment, for example diabetes, for which you will send a group message to all patients that are on file as having diabetes, and they will confirm their appointment by responding via text message. Another scenario might be to solve a medical emergency. If a patient needs a certain blood type, the doctor needs to find the patients on file who have that blood type quickly, and through an SMS confirm who can donate blood. VDOCTOR can offer the patient post-op care when the patient is discharged. After surgery, the doctor can send an SMS to the patient to see how he or she feels and if there would be any complications so they can immediately report it and return it to the hospital or clinic. The patient can send and receive messages. It doesn't matter if the cellular phone is modern or not, and the messages will be free of charge for them. The text message, or SMS, is the fastest communication system. If you need 10 appointments programmed per day, usually only 6 patients arrive at the clinic. With the VDOCTOR system, 90% of the appointments will confirm and arrive. When acquiring the VDOCTOR system, you will obtain an electronic tablet and an exclusive package completely free, making you a privileged doctor. You will be linked to your colleagues in a virtual medical community. Become a VDOCTOR, and soon patients will be asking you if you are a VDOCTOR. VDOCTOR, a Velo Mobile Health product.